Meet the Eureka RapidWash 630, the future of clean. Say goodbye to stubborn messes with the Eureka RapidWash 630. This cordless vacuum and mop combo boasts 600 RPM roller speed and 21.6 kPa suction, perfect for tackling pet hair, sticky spills, and hard floors. Its innovative anti-tangle brush ensures hassle-free cleaning, making your home spotless with ease. Experience effortless cleaning with auto mode smart detection that adjusts suction and water flow automatically. Its 170 degrees reclining flexibility reaches under couches and beds, while the 0mm edge cleaning design ensures not a single corner is missed. Plus, the self-cleaning and hot air drying system makes maintenance a breeze. Equipped with dual water tanks and a powerful 4,000 mAh battery, this device ensures uninterrupted cleaning for 38 minutes straight. Lightweight, quiet, and with voice prompts, it's a game changer for pet owners and anyone who loves spotless, stress-free living. Transform your cleaning routine today with the Eureka RapidWash 630. Glowing 4.6-star reviews say it all. This is your must-have cleaning tool. Tap the link in the description now to explore more and take the first step to a cleaner, smarter home.